Here are the most recommended cameras to use with an LED virtual production wall and what settings you need to pay attention to. These are a selection of cameras that we've tested and have performed well. First, you have your Arri Alexa 35 and the Mini. Red is also a great line. The Helium, Komodo, V-Raptor, and XL. And then you have your Sonys, like the Venice 1 and 2, FX6, and FX9. Other cameras like the Blackmagic Ursa Mini 4.6K are compatible as well. And there are many more cameras out there that can work, but make sure to test yours before going into a shoot. Here are a few options that typically work well with LED walls. Choose which settings are most appropriate for your project and make sure to consult with your LED team to confirm your camera settings. For most shoots, a general rule of thumb is to lock off your camera at a true 24 frames per second with a shutter angle of 144 or 180. If you're seeing scan lines or flickering issues, chances are your camera settings are wrong. Now, there are some circumstances where you can have different frame rates, like if you're dealing with a very bright asset or if you Genlock sync your camera to the wall. Just make sure to always test before going into a shoot day. And that's the basics for recommended cameras and camera settings.